I made this video you are seeing right here, where I said 5 video editing skills that every content creator, every creator in this platform, be it the YouTube platform, the Facebook platform, or the TikTok platform, needs to know as a creator, that you need to have these skills inside you so as to make your work very easy for you. And some of my lovely viewers came to my comment section and was asking me that when am I going to make a full tutorial video on how to do this, that is not just mentioning these things, that they'll be hearing it, but they just want to see the video that will teach them how to do it. So on that video, I mentioned that you need to have these 5 good video editing skills. That once you have these 5 video editing skills, that you can do well in your content creation journey as a creator. And which I say that the number 1 is cutting out the dead space in your video, and the number 2 is adding text, caption, or auto capturing on your video. And I said that the number 3 is adding voiceover, mostly for those doing lifestyle content and the rest. And I also made mention of adding overlay, when to add overlay and how to add overlay. And then I went further to say that number 5, that you need to know the difference between the plus sign you see at the end of your first timeline. That is, if you're using CapCut mobile phone app to do your video editing. The first timeline, the plus sign that you see at the end of that plus sign, you need to know the difference between that plus sign and when you are using overlay to bring in your video. I said that the 2 videos are not going the same place. When you're using the plus sign there to bring your video, it goes to the first timeline, depending on where the playhead is on that your timeline. But then when you're using the overlay to bring in your video, it just go directly on top of the video, on top of the previous one that you have on your timeline. So you need to know the difference of all these things. And some of my followers, my lovely viewers, they said that I should make a full tutorial on how to do these things step by step. So on this video, I want to tell you guys that I will be dropping, and I'll be dropping a video on these 5 different things I said that you need to know. I need to do a video about these things and come and edit it with you together and do the full tutorial on how you can do those things. So please, I want you to watch, because if you're not watching, you are not encouraging me to do the other one. So I'll be dropping, today is 1st of August 2026. So we'll have 5 video editing skills that I mentioned. So I'll be dropping them on 2nd, on 3rd, on 4th, on 5th, on 6th. So as from tomorrow being 2nd of August 2026, I'll be dropping them on episodes. So we'll be starting with how to cut out dead space on your video. Then after that, we'll move to the 2nd one, move to the 3rd one. So we'll be dropping the video every day as from 2nd to 6th of August. So my lovely viewers out there, I will beg you to watch this video from the 1st episode to the 5th episode. We're going to be breaking down the full tutorial on how you can do these things. And if you're able to watch this video, the 1st episode till on 6th of August this month, when we're going to drop the last episode, which will be talking about the difference between the plus sign and the overlay. At the end of it, you should be able to edit any kind of video that comes your way. Any kind of video. If you can have these 5 skills, you will know how to edit any kind of video. So I'll be dropping this whole 5 skills by episode for good 6 days for free. All you just need to do is to relax and follow the step-by-step tutorial, and at the end of it, you'll be able to do any kind of video editing by yourself. Wow. So all you just need to do is to share this video for me. And if you've not followed us on our YouTube channel, please click on that subscribe button to follow us. And if you're watching us from our Facebook page, don't forget to follow us on that page, and also on our TikTok page. Also, don't forget to follow us. Any platform you're watching us from, please follow us so that you can be part of this family. See you tomorrow when we're going to be dropping the 1st episode on the 5 video editing skills that you need to know as a creator. Love you guys.